Hi, I'm Rudy Neiswalder of Consolidated Truck Parts and Service, and I'm coming to you from Monroe, Louisiana, currently the hottest place on the earth for high temperatures, for hot crawfish, and if you're watching the news, we're a hotbed of COVID right now, but that's another story. But the reason I'm coming to you is that this year I have the privilege of being the International Truck Parts Association chairman, an organization that is known for our twice-a-year, content-rich, relationship-building conferences that we put on. And in my first year as chairman, I have managed to cancel both of those, as well as put out basically no information at all to you, the members. And so, no, thank you. I appreciate it. No applause needed. Well, at least let me light up my celebratory cigar first, then you can applaud. Much better, much better. But no, seriously, guys, as you all know now, we have canceled both the meetings in 2020, and it was not a decision that was made lightly. It was a decision that was, there was a lot of fights about, a lot of arguments, a lot of pushback, a lot of pros, cons, everything amidst the board, as well as many of you gave feedback to us before the decision was made. Unfortunately, it was a decision that we had to make because ultimately the health and safety of the members, the financial stability of the association, all of those things had to be taken into account. If you want any more details on why that decision was made, the factors that went into it, don't hesitate to contact me directly, the ITPA office, or the rest of the board members, and we'd be happy to walk you through our thought process on it. However, with that being said, we know that one of the main reasons that all of you are in this association is because of the value you get, the content that you receive. And we didn't want to let 2020 go by without giving you any content. And so for the rest of the year, what you can expect from the ITPA offices is some good information. You can expect some content to come to you through your email. Maybe it'll be an article wrote by another member. Maybe it'll be a video produced by one of the presenters that we would have at the conferences. Maybe it will be a panel put on by several members on an important industry topic, an industry update by a partner of ours. But expect some content to come to you in your email. So if you're not getting those, please reach out to the ITPA office to make sure you're getting those. You are going to want this. And I know that in a lot of our emails, we got those junk email monsters. They like to jump up and eat those really important emails like these. And so if you got that and you're not getting it, call the ITPA office because they got a team of junk mail monster fighters that will fix that for you and make sure you're getting this important content because believe me, you're going to want this stuff. I know it's not as good as our meetings, but it's a way of us providing something to y'all that will be enjoyable, will be relevant, and it'll be something that you can grow in this very difficult year of uncertainty. Considering all the uncertainty this time of year and what's going on in the world at large, our industry and everything, we've decided to come up with a title for this series. And our title is ITPA, Parts Unknown. Well, we hope you enjoy the content the rest of 2020, and I and the rest of the board and the convention committee cannot wait till we are all back together again in person, building those relationships and having a good time like we were used to. So looking forward to it.